Are you ready? Welcome to my channel, US Health and Fitness. Subscribe my channel. When it comes to fitness, the debate between cardio and strength training is never ending. Which is better for weight loss, muscle gain, or overall health? In this video, we'll break it down step by step to help you choose the right workout for your goals. Cardio, short for cardiovascular exercise, focuses on increasing your heart rate. Activities like running, cycling, and swimming are all forms of cardio. It's known for improving heart health, stamina, and burning calories. Strength training, also known as resistance training, involves using weights, resistance bands, or your own body weight to build muscle. It's excellent for increasing strength, boosting metabolism, and improving bone density. Now let's compare the benefits of both workouts based on specific fitness goals. For weight loss, cardio burns more calories during the workout, but strength training increases your metabolism for longer after the workout. For building muscle, strength training is the clear winner. Cardio can help maintain muscle but won't build it. For heart health, cardio directly strengthens your heart, but strength training also supports heart health by improving overall body composition. If weight loss is your goal, cardio can be a great option. Activities like running or cycling can burn 300,500 calories in just 30 minutes. But remember, diet plays a significant role too. Strength training might not burn as many calories during the workout, but it builds muscle, which helps you burn more calories even when resting. This is called the afterburn effecto. Which is better for beginners? For beginners, it's not about choosing one over the other. Starting with both can help you build endurance and strength simultaneously. You can do 20 minutes of cardio and 20 minutes of strength training in one session. Let's address some common myths. Myth 1. Cardio makes you lose muscle. Truth. Proper nutrition prevents muscle loss. Myth 2. Strength training makes women bulky. Truth. Women don't have enough testosterone to bulk up easily. Myth 3. You have to pick one. Truth. A combination is often the best approach. How to combine cardio and strength training. Here's how you can combine both for maximum results. Monday, strength training upper body. Tuesday, cardio 30 minutes of running or cycling. Wednesday, rest or active recovery light yoga or walking. Thursday, strength training lower body. Friday, cardio height or steady state. Saturday, full body strength training. Sunday, rest. So, which is better? It depends on your goals. If you want to improve heart health or endurance, focus more on cardio. If you're aiming for strength, muscle gain, or long-term fat loss, strength training is your best bet. Ideally, a combination of both gives you the best of both worlds. At the end of the day, the best workout is the one you enjoy and can stick to consistently. Whether you love running, lifting, or a mix of both, make fitness a part of your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and guides. See you in the next video. Subscribe for weekly fitness content.